Hey guys, hey y'all, welcome back. So y'all already know the news is everybody's having bad weather. I'm gonna just show y'all the amount of snow that we have here. So, do y'all see all of that snow out there? All of that. It actually was taller than this, but that's what we have now. Thank God, you know, everything is okay. It's a little icy down there, but you can still get through. The driveway is clear, but yeah, guys. Welcome back. I missed y'all. I missed everybody. I'm feeling really great, really rejuvenated. And yeah, thank you all for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Yeah, so let's get on into the video. I don't really have much, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna do something today. It's not gonna be a vlog, but it'll just be like a video. I'll show you guys some things, and yeah, let's start the video, okay? So like I said, guys, I want to bring a little joy because like I said, everybody's been having bad weather all over. I just want to say, I hope everybody was safe. They didn't have any problems with busted pipes, car repairs, crashes. Do not go outside to no job. I wouldn't even work for a company that would even ask me to come to work on a day like that. It was so treacherous here, y'all. I have not seen snow and blizzard like this in a very long time. So that has been the talk and the top, what do they call them? What is it called? Hot topics? Yeah, it's been the hot topics. But anyway, I just wanted to bring y'all some joy and some peace. Yes, y'all, she's got her, look, I have not worn my hair. Have y'all see it? I have not worn my hair like this in a very, very long time, have I? So anyway, here's outfit of the day. I just have on this sweat top because it's a little chill, and I have on these, who are these jeans? Jessica, y'all know who that is. Jessica Simpson, I think, yeah, Jessica Simpson. But that is it. So guys, I'm gonna show you a few things that I picked up while I was out of town. I'm gonna do a couple of things around here, and we're gonna just do what it do, okay? Are y'all ready for that? All right, I'm glad you said. The first thing we're going to do today is we're going to switch out this picture that I sketched, y'all. This actually fell off the wall from over here. Like, it actually fell because I told you when I bought it, it was a little bit messed up. The frame was. I already knew that when I bought it, and it's okay because I have another plan. So we're going to just switch this one out for the one over there, and then I'm going to put that one on this wall. So y'all just stay right here and hold the line, and she's going to come right back, okay? Get this one. I'm going to bring you guys over here, okay? So you guys can see what it is that I'm actually doing over here, okay? So So guys, let me know what y'all think. I mean, you have to restyle your spaces sometimes because over here, this is the focal point, okay? I think it was just too busy. I'm kind of glad it fell in a way, so it gave me a reason to do this. And I like the fact that this is like overlapping this, y'all. I have a DIY coming for this soon. I'm gonna bring you guys along to show you that. This is gonna get repainted, and you guys will see I'm gonna make sure I bring you along for all of it, okay? You're gonna see. But this here, I absolutely love this. Let me know what y'all think. I think it goes really, really good. It just, you gotta think, we gotta switch from here, this little area, to over here. And for all who you don't know, I actually did this myself. And oh, down here, I wanted to show y'all my new home humidifier. There is a night light on here too, y'all. I gotta find it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a night light. But I'm gonna put some stuff in this video about this humidifier. It actually has like a thing where you put your you put oil inside of it, and it really works really, really good. So I will throw in a clip of that while I'm showing you guys it right now. And yeah, that's how it looks. And this like elevates the temperatures in the room. It tells you like the humidity and things like that to get it to work. And it is Wi-Fi, as you can see here. And it has all these controls like that. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that.
Looking back at being young and feeling small in the world, playing with angels, holy pages, busy doing the work. Now we're standing in the present, and I hope you're amazed by everything you dream to help you get to this place. Hey, every day it blows my mind, watching how things all align. And now you noticing the universe wants you to succeed. Take out your candles and remember to have faith when you leave.
All right, guys, I am back. So, like I said, the video was not going to be that long. I just wanted to show you guys some updates that I'm doing to the home. And y'all, I don't think this is going to be my forever space. I'm really trying to do some new things in my life. I'm really trying to do that. I'm not going to go in detail right now, but if you guys know me from watching me, you probably can understand what I'm saying. Let me turn this heat down, okay? Let me turn the heat down. And so you guys can hear me very well. A lot of times you can't share every little thing that you want to do because people will rain on your parade. So from time to time, I will just throw in little things to try to show you what I mean. If you get what I'm saying. Okay? But anyway, while I was gone and before I left, I had picked up a few things and I'm going to share them with y'all. So one of you guys was telling me about, remember you said if you hold coffee in your car, that it would spill? Y'all, I found me a really nice coffee cup. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Look at this. Has a little thing on the side of it. This was $1. It closes. You can unscrew it like so. It's really, really nice, insulated, and then it says coffee right there. I think this is super, super nice. And y'all know I love this color, love this color. So I got that for $1. I also picked up this beautiful black bag, if you guys can see that. Isn't that pretty? Let me bring it a little closer. Little handbag. Look at that. Do y'all see that? That is so cute to me. And it's red, lined in red. Red cotton. It has like the gold zipper, and it has like a gold zipper part in here as well, you know, like to put your little stuff. This is so cute, y'all, so cute. So you can hold it, you know, like this, or you can put it, if you're don't have a big arm, you can get it up here. So you can put it that way with the little knob, or you can put it on this side with the little knob. And like I said, you can either hold it like this. I think this is so cute. This was $1. And at the Goodwill, I picked up this really nice pumpkin, and it's actually the blue clay. If you guys can see that, it's actually this material with the gold, you know, the gold tip. So for $1, you can't beat it, and it's a really nice size. So next fall, I'll be doing it, you know. And then y'all are not going to believe this, but some of you will. Y'all know I had stopped in that pop shelf, because anywhere I ever see a pop shelf, no matter where I go, I didn't stay in that town. We just went through there. But anytime I get to go to one, I will stop. But I got this amber oak wood little thing, like a little hanging incense that you put in your car. So I got that, which was $1. And y'all, I went to Ross out there. You're not going to believe it, but yes, you will. Y'all won't believe it. Guess what she found? Guess what she found? And now I'm going to be looking for another one. And then I think that's going to do it for me. Guess what she found, y'all? Look. Look what she found for 49 cents. Now, they got $2.49 on here, but she rung it up for 49 because their cups were going on sale for 49. So y'all already know I have that other one. Isn't that beautiful? This is what I was talking about, the high boy glass, okay? So I got that. It's like I said, it's like an amber. And then this one, let me put these down. Guess what? I found the other one for 49 cents. Now, this is why she gave it to me for 49 cents, because these were all still 49 cents. Y'all remember I got that one from the last time. So yeah, guys, this is everything that I hauled before and after. So I just wanted to show you guys. So guys, that's going to do it for me. I will see you all in the next video. Always remember to do what? Love yourself enough so that you'll be able to love others. Let me know what was your favorite part of this video. I know it was not a vlog, but it's a video. And I will bring you guys along the process of me revamping that, that actual console table. So bye, y'all. See you in the next one.
We ain't got no steak. Why the hell do you need a knife? No breathe. Can you believe? I know it sucks to have a lonely night. I bet you never had the chance to think about your solo flight. About your solo flight. Hey, what you thinking when you think it? You miss the whole point of you. You can choose not to bruise your beautiful muse. Look, all those feelings, they ain't real. It's all in your head. And if you're into healing, try to feel it without going mad. Without going mad. Without going mad. You can turn the switch on any day. Let's assume life is a